I was going to do this project next year, but we have a young lady that works with my husband that really wanted the recipe now and how to do these. And so this is for Sonia on how to make the dinner rolls. So we're going to go, here's the recipe. It's really basic, it's really easy. It just takes a lot of time. So we have our yeast, and I put a teaspoon of sugar in it, and we're going to add tempered water and let that boil, or not boil, bubble up. Now, tempered, lukewarm, people always ask me, what is that? It's like, okay, you ever put a baby bottle of milk on your arm to see if it's too hot for the baby? That's tempered. So we're going to stir this up and let it bubble. And then I'm going to aim the camera down so you can see what I'm actually doing in the mixing bowl. All right, so we have soft butter, 1/4 cup sugar, I'm just gonna let that do its thing. Always use butter. Margarine really doesn't do it. This is 3/4 cup milk. I did 40 seconds on high in the microwave. 1 egg. Butter up a little bit since it seems to be clinging. Okay, put in our yeast mixture. Start adding flour. You don't add it all, juicy part. Now we will let this knead it. You can knead this by hand on the counter that's floured, but I like my KitchenAid. Now I'm going to take a Tupperware plastic bowl, spray it with this is Pam. Bowl. Okay, that's what it looks like. I'm going to flip it once, put oil on it, and I will leave it that way for 90 minutes, and it should double in about double the size. I can let it talk just like that, and we'll come back and roll them out. Well, it's been 90 minutes. I have my baking pan with a cell pad on it. I like these plastic ones, not extra grease. Rolling pin, except I like this one. We won't be using that one. So it's been sitting about 90 minutes. Puffed up, not too much. Now, one of the tricks to not having dried out rolls, the spray oil on your counter, on your roller, and then we're going to just take the dough and divide it in half, and another half, and we're just going to roll it in a circle. Give myself a little more room. Knock that off the counter. And somewhat of a circle. My rolls have never ended up the same size, ever. So I'm going to cut it into 6 pieces. And then you just roll it up from the back side, like that, and make a little crescent shape. I don't want it to quite get even, so we're gonna, that's for those that have the little appetite. Or we can do this, but that's the fancy way. Okay, so just roll them and set them on there. And any lightweight, preferably cotton, flour cloth type towel over the top. Then we're gonna let them rise for an hour and a half, and then we will bake them. Okay, hour and a half. They've cooked up, and now we'll bake them at 375. I'm gonna go about 10 minutes. Sometimes it's less, sometimes longer. You just gotta kind of watch them. And then we'll take one more shot of them finished. And that is what they look like finished. Hope that helps you, Sonia. Bye. Thanks for watching.